Hi, we're going to look at some of the Solve Me Mobile puzzles. Uh, some of you guys had did some of this during the school year last year. Uh, because as we think about equations, we think about trying to figure out unknown values, the puzzle is a good model. These balance scale puzzles are a good model to do that with. If I were to drag this hanging scale and let it sit horizontally like that, you can see that the equal sign replaces the balance in the middle of the scale, and one side, one triangle plus 5 hearts has to equal 4 triangles on the other side. So that's one way we can look at it. Now, to solve these, we have some clues. In this case, we know that the entire balance is worth 40. If that's the case, we know that each side of the balance would have to be worth 20. If each side of the balance is worth 20, we can start working our way down. We know 4 pink triangles have to equal 20, so that would help us understand that each pink triangle would have to be 5. On the other side, if we know if a pink triangle is 5, then we know that all these hearts together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hearts together, have to equal 15. If the 5 orange hearts equal 15, each orange heart would have to be 3. All right? Let's try another one. Okay. In this puzzle, we have 3 different variables. We have triangles, we have moons, and we have hexagons. We know that one side is our tools. There we go. We know that one side of this, we don't have a whole value on this scale, but we know that one side, excuse me, we have company. One side is 19. So if this is 9 and this is 9, 9 and 9 is 18. And we know the hexagon is 1, there's our 19. So on the other side, we know that the hexagon is 1. The total is 19. That tells us our moons would have to equal 18. There's 3 moons. So 18 divided by the 3 moons. Each moon would have to be 6. Check it out. See how we did. Let's try another one. One side here, we don't have a total, but one side is 20. It's balanced. That tells us the other side must be 20 also. Oops. 20 here, 20 here. Green ball is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So we know we have 2 of them here. So that's 8 from our 20. Total side is 20, 8 gone. These 2 would have to be 12 combined. If you have 12 combined, each is 6. So breaking it down, looking at the details, figuring out what you have, what you know, and then what you need to know to be able to find the missing pieces. Oops, I don't want to do that one. Here we have 36 as a total. So you'd have to decide what each side is valued at. Each side would be half of 36. Half of 36 is 18. Well, that makes the left side really easy because an orange triangle would be 18. Right side, we know the green dot, or the green drop is 3. So you take that 3 from your 18, that leaves you with 15 left. 3 moons equals 15. Each moon would equal 5. See how we did? And we'll end with this one. We have a total of 22. What would be the value on each side? The value would be 11 on each side. We have 11 on each side. We know this rhombus, this orange rhombus, is 2. So that means if you took the 2 from the 11, let's get rid of this guy for a moment, these 3 triangles would have to equal 9. If that's the case, 3 triangles equals 9. Each triangle equals 3. The other side, we have a total of 11 again. Now we know triangles are worth 3. So 2 triangles would be worth 6. That leaves our trapezoid, our green trapezoid, would have to be worth 5. So following clues, figuring out what the puzzle gives you, and using that to find the other unknowns. Pay attention to whether you have a total value on top. Remember that it's always going to be balanced. And if you're working on these and you put in a wrong value, it's going to unbalance your scale. So you'll see that you have an error there. I challenge you to go ahead and do some more on your own. And when you get to one you think is pretty challenging and you manage to solve it, go ahead and screenshot it and submit it with your work today so I can see what you were able to do on your own. Good luck. Bye-bye.